Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and in today's video we will be talking about how I clean my makeup brushes. So I have my setup in my restroom and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, what I use, and how I clean my makeup brushes. So if you're interested in today's video, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is how my makeup brushes look like when they're dirty. So they're not too bad, but they do need to be cleaned. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I use to clean my makeup brushes. So I like to use this Dove Sensitive Skin Soap Bar. It retails for like $2 at Walmart, so it's not too expensive. And then also I like to use my brush holder. I use this for like all my eye makeup brushes. And this one retails for like $5, so it's really affordable. And then last but not least, I use my soap holder, so it's separate from all my other soaps that I use in my shower. And this technique is very simple, easy, so I think you're able to manage to clean your brushes. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is my setup right here. So I have a towel in front of me so I don't get any water on the floor, and then I have a towel on the side of me to put my makeup brushes on. And then I also have just like my soap, my other makeup brush holder. So let's go ahead and start washing our brushes. So first things first, you want to make sure that your temperature for your water is like a lukewarm temperature. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. And then what I like to do is grab like my big brushes, and then I gently just soak it in the water first before I put it on the soap. And then I'll grab my soap and then I'll put it on the soap and gently just rub it in circles. And I do this until I see no more colors come out from the brush and the soap. And I also do it like in circles on the palm of my hands, and I do this 2 to 3 times until I see absolutely no color come out of the brush. Also guys, you want to be careful when you rinse it out. You don't want to pull out any of your bristles out of your brushes, but what I like to do is kind of like stroke the brush and make sure like all the hair follicles are like spreaded out and like pointed up, so when it dries down it creates the same form that I did when I first bought it. And I also like to do this with all my smaller brushes, like my eye makeup brushes. I do the same technique. I just wet it, make sure that I'm soaking it and I'm creating that foam texture and just squeezing out all the color suds out of the makeup brush. And I do this 2 to 3 times until I see no color come out of the brushes. Guys, so I do want to warn you that when you do use this technique, your hands will get a little bit wrinkly, kind of like when you sit in a hot tub for a long time or you swim for like a whole hour. Your skin starts to get pruny and it starts to look wrinkly. So if you're not that type of gal and you want to make sure your hands look nice, there's other techniques out there that you can do to avoid your hands getting too wet, but I don't have a problem with it now. Maybe in the future I'll probably change up my routine. Okay, so this is my favorite part, guys. I don't know why, but I love cleaning my beauty blenders. Just something about it is just so satisfying. I think it's just because it's really easy to clean. But guys, it's the same concept as washing my makeup brushes. You want to make sure that you're getting your sponge wet first, and then you're gonna put your sponge onto the soap and kind of just squish it until like you see like color coming out. And you do this like 2 to 3 times until you see absolutely no color come out. And when you do this process, guys, make sure that you're being extra careful on how you're squeezing your beauty blender, because I've noticed after like 2 to 3 washes they can wear and tear if you're not doing it correctly or you're just squishing it too much. So just make sure that you're being very gentle when you clean your beauty blenders or any of your makeup products, your makeup brushes, so they don't wear down within 2 to 3 washes. And now that you guys know how I clean my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders, here is the end result. So they're very clean and I can get them dirty again and start playing with my makeup. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.